Student, in this video I will be discussing some questions from inorganic chemistry, particularly the S block elements. So the blue color, when sodium metal is dissolved in liquid ammonia, it imparts a blue color to the solution. The blue color is due to solvated ammonia. The blue color is due to solvated ammonia. So when sodium or any metal of alkali metal react with ammonia, X plus Y moles of ammonia, then it forms electron NH3 whole Y minus plus sodium or metal NH3 whole X plus. Due to this solvated electron, the solution gets blue color. This was asked in EAMCET 2018. Now, when calcium reacts with nitrogen, it forms calcium nitride, which on hydrolysis gave calcium hydroxide plus ammonia. So this has been asked in EAMCET 2017. Now coming to the next question, Solvay process is used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate. Solvay process is used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate. This was asked in EAMCET 2009. Keep in mind that potassium carbonate cannot be prepared by Solvay process. Potassium carbonate cannot be prepared by Solvay process. Now coming to Calgon. Calgon means calcium gone. That is sodium hexametaphosphate. When it reacts with hard water containing calcium, it forms Na2CaP6O8 O18 2 minus. So 2 of the sodium atom is replaced by calcium. So keep this in mind. This was asked in EAMCET 2016. Now beryllium will not give flame test. Beryllium will not give flame test. The reason being that beryllium is very small size and the electron is tightly packed. The electron is tightly held. Okay, the outermost electron is tightly held, so light will have no impact, so it will not give any flame test. This was asked in EAMCET 2015. Now coming to one of the theoretical question, which was white metal. White metal is an alloy. It is an alloy containing lead plus lithium. Lead plus lithium. It was asked in EAMCET 2012. Now coming to the next question, assertion is potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxide. Reason is the stability of the superoxide increases from potassium to cesium due to decrease in lattice energy. So if you have read the Telugu Academy or NCERT book, it's clearly written that the larger cations, particularly the potassium, rubidium and cesium cation, form superoxide. So this is the correct statement. But the stability of the superoxide increases from potassium to cesium due to increase in lattice energy, not decrease. So the assertion is correct. The reason is false. So answer will be C for this. This was asked in EAMCET 2008. This was asked in EAMCET 2008. Now coming to diboron B2S6. If you see B2S6, if you see the structure, it has 4 2-center 2-electron bond. The terminal boron hydrogen bonds are 2-center 2-electron bond. But when you see the BHB bond, that is the 3-center 2-electron bonds are there, that are also called banana bonds. So the structure of diboron becomes very important for you from group 13 of the periodic table. So this was asked in EAMCET 2016. Now thallium forms basic oxide. The reason being that from top to bottom the metallic character increases. So thallium hydroxide is as similar to sodium hydroxide in its basic strength. This was asked in EAMCET 2015. Thallium does not form triiodide. As you know, thallium plus 1 is more stable than plus 3. The reason being that thallium plus 1 is more stable due to inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect? The reluctance of NH2 electron to take part in bonding. The reluctance of NH2 electron to take part in chemical bond formation is called inert pair effect. It is the characteristic feature of p block elements, particularly the heavier members. Structure of XeOF4 is square pyramidal. Structure of XeOF4 is a square pyramidal. It was asked in EAMCET 2014. So you have to prepare the xenon compounds along with their structure, the number of lone pairs. So these are really going to be very, very helpful for your upcoming exam, student. The hybridization of xenon in XeF6 is sp3d3. It has one lone pair and the shape of the molecule is distorted octahedral. The shape of the molecule is distorted octahedral. Boron trihalides are Lewis acid because the central atom boron has electron deficiency. It has only 6 electrons, so it can accept a lone pair of electron from Lewis bases. So boron trihalides are Lewis acid. They are electron deficient in nature. They are also the exceptions of octet rule. Now, the key step in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process is the oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide in presence of vanadium pentaoxide catalyst. So, this is the key step in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The alkaline solution of borax solution with water is alkaline in nature. Do keep it in mind, because it forms boric acid, which is a weak acid, whereas and sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base. The solution becomes alkaline in nature. The hybridization of carbon in diamond is sp3. One carbon is attached to 4 different carbon. The hybridization of carbon in graphite is sp2. It is a double bond character with free electron. That's why graphite is a conductor, whereas diamond is an insulator. C60 Buckminster Fullerene, the hybridization of carbon is sp2. In carbonate ion, the hybridization of carbon is sp2. So these are the most important questions which I found from inorganic. Few more I will be coming up in my next video. Thanks for watching, student. All the best for your upcoming MSET, IIT, NEET, BITSAT and all your exams. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. This is Sandeep sir signing off. Thank you all.